Hey guys, I'm really sick. So, we're gonna be cooking some, chicken noodle. Not Campbell's, because that's too expensive. So, yeah. Watch this. Signature jump cut. Bam! Look at that. Took me like 2 minutes to get that open, because, like, I'm just that sick. Alright. So, I assume you just... Instructions. Yeah. Yeah, soup with water. Right. Cool. Neat. I don't know what I'm doing. But cool. So I'm supposed to, heat until simmering, eh? Yeah, while stirring. Cool. Watch this. Pow. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I got some complaints from, some people who don't know how to cook. Shoutouts to Space Witch. She was critiquing me on my use of metal stirring objects. I mean, she was wrong, of course, but, you know, can't hurt to keep an open mind. So, wooden spoon right here. Alright, I'm gonna heat this up, and I'll come back when you're done. When I'm done. Not you. You're gonna be there in, like, right now. Cool, so I don't remember what simmering looks like, but this isn't simmering, and it's been a while. So I don't think I have the stove turned on hot enough. Maybe I do. I don't know. But what I do know is that I am a very good chef. So, oh, actually, it's starting to simmer. Alright. Yeah, it's definitely done. Yeah. Cool. Ow. We're gonna wait for that to cool, and then we're gonna put it in our nice little bowl. Alright, so it's probably cool enough. So, still kind of hot. Oh boy, that reveals my full name and address. Good thing nobody saw that. Neat. Wow, that was a bad pouring. Look at that. Want to see a magic trick?